What is happening? It is Cadence, another day, another video. I just got out of the good old day job and going right into the studio. Today I'm gonna be making a video. I got a request after making last week's video about beat gridding transition tracks on Rekordbox, and so today I thought it would be a good idea to answer that question. What do I do to beat grid transition tracks in Serato? Because I got that question as a comment after my last video. They said, hey, is this possible on Serato? I said, I'm not sure. I haven't used Serato in a while, but I will find out. And I did just that. I did find out, yes, it is possible. Today, I'm going to show you how. Before we get started, if you're new here, I want to welcome you. My name is Kadence, and on this channel we talk about everything nightlife and club DJing. If that's you, if you're a nightlife DJ, or if you are an aspiring nightlife DJ, I would welcome you to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, because I have a lot more videos planned coming down the line and you're not gonna wanna miss a thing. Stick around, add your voice to the community. The more the merrier. I think we're at, what, 75 subscribers at the time of this recording. In about 3 weeks time since I started uploading videos, so no, not bad, not bad. But now that that's out of the way, let's open up Serato and get beat gridding some transition tracks. Okay guys, here we are in Serato and I am pulling up a transition track, Got Your Money by ODB, Daz remix to the original, 125 to 103. So this track's gonna play part of the remix, then it's gonna transition down to the original. So first thing we want to do is pull up our beat grid controls right here, and we want to set the first marker to the first beat. Set. Okay, now you'll notice something when you're beat gridding in Serato, that anytime you hit set on a beat marker, it will be red. The rest will be white. Anytime you hit set, will be red. That means you are locking that in. So what we want to do is find where this remix ends and where the original begins. Shouldn't be hard to find. Looking at this preview, this looks like one complete different track and this looks like another complete different track. So if I were to put my money on it, I'm going to guess the transition starts right about here. Play. Yeah, right here on bar 57. That is where our transition is going to start. You want to hit set again. And you'll notice when I move this that it is also red. On beat 1 or bar 1, it's red, and on bar 57. Sorry if that's loud. Bar 57 is red. So now we can start adjusting our beat grid so that it starts slowing down with the track ending up at 103. So let's play a little bit. Okay, that was kind of on. You can actually hit set there. Okay, that's where it makes a big jump. So we're going to use these adjust left and right. So you're adjusting the beat grid left and essentially, or to the right, essentially stretching it out, meaning the song's getting slower. This just makes that go faster. And you can see the beat. Can't see where I'm pointing on the screen, but you can see the BPM here going down. Once I get close, use this. Set. And we'll play some more. Again, adjust. Set. Do it some more. That should be the end of the transition after they took a phrase or two, a full phrase or two, and then used the transition during that phrase. It says 104, so if I were to put my money on it, I would say that that's the end of the transition. We're gonna set, gonna play. We're at 103, that's where we need to be, 125 to 103. And I'm just gonna check throughout the song, make sure that it's still on. It looks like we're starting to go a little off here, so I'm gonna make these little micro adjustments. All the way to the outro, looks like we're still on. So let's see how that worked out. Should be all beat gridded. At this point, I would hit save. Let's see what happens when we go back to the beginning of the track. It says 125 right here. And hit play. Now we knew we were at 125 all the way up till about here, bar 57. Now watch this beat PM. It's going down. It's going down some more. Going down some more. And there it is at 103. Guys, doing this, you'll be able to see on your CDJs or on your controller the beat grid change from 125 to 103. It's going to follow the beat grid of the track. This is especially helpful if you're using quantize and your cue points are right on that beat grid. If the beat grid is off, you're going to be hitting cue points and they're not going to be right on. Get your beat grids right first, then add your cue points, and with quantize on, when you hit that, it's going to bring the cue point right onto. How do I explain this? How do I explain this? A lot of you guys know what I'm trying to say, but there might be some that don't. We'll do that on another video. How's that? Eventually we'll get to quantization. I don't know when, but we'll get there. If you guys have any questions, as always, feel free to hit me up. Feel free to put them down in the comments. Any questions, suggestions, whatever you got. Telling me my video sucks, it's all good. Love you anyway. And that, my friends, is how to beat grid a transition track using Serato. I hope this video was useful. If it was, hit that like button and hit subscribe. I'll talk to you all soon. Peace.